Hello children of DAV Moil Public School Sita Savangi. Let's begin e-learning class. Standard 5th, subject social science, and our topic is changing trend in occupation. Children, you can see two pictures on your mobile screen. Do you know what is this? Or which state belong these pictures? Okay, first of all, I will explain about these pictures and then we will do our map skill. Children, this is sand art. Sand art in Orissa, a unique types of art form is developed at Puri, but it is spread all over the world. With the help of sand and finger, an artist can carve beautiful and attractive sculpture on the beach. And Sundarvan Patnaik is an Indian sand artist from Odisha. He was awarded the Padma Shri by Government of India. And this picture is Pattachitra. It is a general terms for traditional cloth based scroll printing, and it is also famous in Odisha. Pattachitra art form is known for its intricate details as well as mythological narratives with folk tales inscribed in it. And Pattachitra is occupation of people of Odisha. Pattachitra is also famous in world. Now children, see some question of your map skill. First, a state famous for sand art and Pattachitra. And you know very well, it is Odisha. A state where white revolution originated. White revolution originated on Gujarat by Dr. Verghese Kurian. Next, a state where green revolution increased the agriculture production, and Punjab, Haryana is famous for agricultural production. A state with highest women's literacy rate, and that is Kerala. Now you will take physical map of India and label states. First, a state famous for sand art and Pattachitra, Odisha. We see the location of Orissa is eastern part in India. Second, a state where white revolution originated, it is Gujarat. B. C. State where green revolution increased the agricultural production is C. Punjab. And D. A state with highest women's literacy rate, Kerala. So you will fill your map. I hope you understood. We will meet in next class with new information. Bye. Have a nice day.